Hi guys, it's Angela here, and I'm going to do a quick unboxing of some pop vinyls that I've been desperately waiting for. The 100! Woohoo! We've got all the girls. I wasn't really fussed about getting Bellamy and Lincoln and whatnot. Raven. Let's get them out. Clarke. Lexa with her war paint, and Octavia. I hope they're all on screen. Here we go. Woohoo! Now I think that there's a variant on Lexa. We'll be trying to get that as well. Let's have a look on the back. So the full set is Clarke, Bellamy, Octavia, Raven, Lexa, and Lincoln. So we didn't get Bellamy because, Bellamy. Didn't get Lincoln. I like Lincoln as a character, but just wanted the girls, really. So there we have it. Super cool. If you're not watching the 100, or the 100, you should definitely be watching it. It's an awesome show, and if you're looking for strong female characters, the 100 is the show for you. I might take these out of the boxes and we'll have a closer look. Let's check out Raven. Here she is. Oh, she's even got a little leg brace on. Super cool. We've got Clarke, a little bit scuffed up. She's got her pistol. And her boots. There we have it. And we've got Lexa. She's got her sword and her armor, and she's got her knife, of course. Scabbard on the back. That could probably have been a bit better, but still not too shabby. It's nice to have them. And lastly, Octavia Blake. Ta-da! So it's a bit bent being in the box. Pretty nice detail though. Not too bad. I kind of wish they made the female pops with the thicker bodies. I don't like this super skinny and then the giant head on top. That's just personal preference. She's got her plaits in. It's Octavia. So there we are. There's the team. The Scooby Gang. Here we go. As I said, if you're not watching the 100, you need to watch it. It's an awesome show. You just need to get through the first half of season 1, where they're all a little bit whiny. That's it, the 100 pop vinyls. Yay! So happy to have them. Nerfenstein out.